The takeaways for firms like us, I mean, it always boils down to whenever there's new technology or technology has advanced, you're going to always see this push for that feature, always a push to integrate that tech. And companies become technology centered versus user centered. And so our job is not to just allow that to happen, just go in and say, sure, we'll just design whatever you need and that's it. We have to change the mindset and champion that user-centered approach with organizations, because you're just not, designing some screens. You're unlocking a lot of automation for pretty much most of the market, 90% of the market.
Yeah, that's true.
And the UI and the UX portion of it, that project strategy piece is now essential as the mechanical and electrical engineering that's involved with the robotics. And just that mind shift is always going to be that tug of war between organizations that really are tech heavy, but really don't think about, hey, no matter what that tech is, who's ever interfacing with that is your most important thing. What problems are you trying to solve? And are you doing that well and frictionless as possible?
That's good points.
This is a good place to kind of close.
Yeah.
What do we want to say? The future of robotics is human.
Yeah.
The AI wave doesn't replace UX. It actually makes it more critical. And, robotics now, they can basically learn by demonstration. You see that with Tesla, they're training their cars to self-drive based on the millions of hours of data that they're receiving every day on how others drive. And I think they're doing the same thing with the Optimus robot as well. And so it's just much faster to train, and there's a lot less programming of training. And then understanding the speech and gesture is a big part of that. And then optimizing their own paths using the generative AI.
Yeah, and I think it's all good, but without great UX, none of this is going to reach the users. So, your next robot isn't really waiting for better code. What it's really waiting for is better design from you.
Yeah, and I think in the age of AI, UX isn't an add-on, it's the on-ramp. I'm curious, in video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company IIIMPACT, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore? And how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.